here we go with the final seconds of launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engine ignition. And liftoff. Liftoff of Falcon Heavy and Psyche on a mission to a metal asteroid in deep space to study the building blocks of our planet's inner space.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Data is looking really good.
Side booster separation confirmed.
Great shot there of the side boosters coming off the rocket.
Landing burn has started.
Here it comes. Perfect landings for them both.
Psyche payload separation confirmed.
There it is. The Psyche spacecraft going off into deep space. We have a signal that says, hey, I'm here, I'm out in space.